y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, y'all, I have got a copycat little recipe for y'all. And it is the Longhorn Steakhouse Parmesan chicken. Have you had that chicken, Russell?
Yes, I have.
It is delicious, isn't it?
Yeah.
We normally get steak when we go to a steakhouse, but every now and then we change it up and have a little chicken.
Yeah, sometimes it's...
I love chicken anyway, so I'm prone to have chicken whenever. But I am going to show y'all one of the ones that I think has been the closest to it. Now, I will say I cheated and I went ahead and marinated my chicken because I didn't want to have to wait an hour, 2 hours, because you do need to let this marinate for about an hour, 2 hours is good. So mine's been going about 2 hours, and I will tell you exactly what is in this marinade. Now I made up some ranch. You don't have to make up ranch if you don't want to. You can buy it right out the bottle and use it. But you just need a half a cup of ranch, and we used. I got my little recipe here that I wrote down. 2 tablespoons of just lemon juice, or either you can use a half of a real lemon. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce here, and a 1/3 cup of just some good olive oil. And then you put in some garlic powder, some salt, and some cracked black pepper. So that is all that is in the little marinade. Like I said, I just mixed it up because y'all know the chicken, it's a creamy, ranchy chicken.
Peppery.
Yes. So now the second part for this, which we're going to fry this chicken, but I'm going to go ahead and mix the little bit of topping here. And it's just 2 ingredients, super simple. But we want to go ahead and just mix that, put it in the refrigerator while I am frying this chicken, cooking this chicken. And real simple, it's just a half a cup of ranch dressing and a half a cup of shredded Parmesan. I'm gonna go ahead and do this first because I'm about to mess this little booger up with some ranch. So 1/2 cup. And then a half a cup of ranch. Good old ranch.
Love the homemade
Good
ranch.
stuff.
It's the best.
It really is. But like I said, you don't have to. You can use what you got, honey. Use what you got. All right. Now we're just going to give this a little mix. This goodness, just ranch, Parmesan cheese, y'all.
That looks like it would be a good topping.
Yes, it is. It's actually got 2 toppings, but we'll get to that in a little bit. But we're just going to put this in the fridge, and we are going to start frying and cooking up this chicken, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to try this one. So let's get to going, Russell. All right, y'all, just got some more of that little olive oil. You just want to coat the bottom of your pan there. And we're going to let this get hot. We'll make sure it's all covered. We want this chicken to be real happy when it's cooking.
Do a happy dance.
Do a happy, yeah, just sitting in there, just having a big old time, big old party. And we're just going to cook it maybe, I'm going to get it hot. I've got it on high right now, but I'll turn it to about a medium high when we get it hot. So I'm just going to let that get hot real quick. All right, I'm just going to stir this around a little bit. Now, this chicken, y'all know if it's real thick, big and thick, I cut it in half and I did pound this. So, we just going to kind of dribble a little bit of this off, this extra. Oh, no. She's ready, wasn't she?
She's ready.
I'm going to try to fit these 3 pieces. I don't want to crowd them too much, but I think I can do it. Methinks me can. Oh, yeah. It'll be just fine. Now, we are going to just cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. So I'm just going to let it get a little brown on the bottom and then flip it over. But we want it to be done. We're not just braising it or anything like that. We want it to be done so about 165 degrees on that. So we gonna just let it get happy in here and do its thing. All right, y'all, my little chicken is done, and I'm going to mix up this second part that's going to go on it, and this is a half a cup of panko. You can get the off-brand. That's what we do. Half a cup here, and 1/3 cup of this Parmesan cheese. Or whatever. Measure with your heart.
Yeah.
And we've got about 2 tablespoons of butter, some melted butter. Get my little something. We want to get it all done. Oh, I already got one. Look at me.
Planning ahead.
Lord, I planned ahead and forgot. All right. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We can put a little garlic in that. About a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm just going to add a little bit more of this pepper, just a little what's up on that. Now just going to mix this until it's coated, so all the little pieces is coated in there. Just want it moist, just like so. Now I'm going to get the ranch that we made earlier out of the fridge because I forgot to get it real quick, and I'm going to put this together and show y'all how easy it is. Alright, so let's just set this aside. Now, that little ranch mix that we made, that little yummy goodness, we are going to go right on top of this. Let's just get this out the way. Right on top of this chicken. Now, I do have my oven heating up on broil, because this is going to finish on broil. Look at there. Yummy. This is a delicious way to eat chicken.
I think that's going to be delicious.
It is going to be delicious. Listen, there's Longhorn Steakhouse everywhere. All across the world, right?
Yeah.
So they've been doing something right. All right, now I've got me some provolone cheese. Let's hope I can get up in it. That's the fun part, getting into it.
I know, right?
Lord. Sitting on the struggle bus, licking the windows. Lord. There we go. Yeah. Aha. Success.
Good job.
All right, so now we're just going to put some provolone right on top of that. I'm just going to fold him up like so on that little one, that smaller piece of chicken. We'll just put 2 pieces on that bigger one.
Mm-hmm.
We like lots of cheese, don't we, Russell?
Yes, we do.
We do. This is real thin. See how thin that is? This provolone.
Thin for the win.
Thin for the win, baby. All right, now this little crumb topping is going to go on. We're just going to put this right on top like this, like so. Yummy, yummy. All this, y'all, is look at that.
Wow.
I'm trying to keep it on the chicken, but
Well, it's all going to go to the same place eventually.
Yeah, that's right. All right, we'll just scoot him over where he ain't feeling lonely. All right, now, when you broil it, you don't want to broil it but a few minutes, y'all, and keep peeping at it, honey. Don't burn up your chicken. Because that broil
we've come
button,
too far. Don't do it. Don't do
that
it.
broil button will do you in.
It can get away from you really quick.
It'll do you up.
I have a pork belly story, and it was
Don't end well always.
It hurt my heart.
Yes, so you put all this love into it and then burn it slap up. So we're going to put this in the oven. Like I said, I'm just going to kind of peep at it, turn my little light on, and just kind of watch it. Watch it like a toddler, honey. All right, let's get this in, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. All right, y'all. Looky, looky. Now just let those little pieces of panko just brown up just a little bit. Let that cheese melt. And that's about all you want right there.
It looks pretty yummy.
And honestly, y'all, this did not take 20 minutes. So this is great for a weeknight supper. So, you ready to taste it, Russell?
I'm ready.
Let's do it, baby. All right, y'all. Supper's ready.
I'm ready.
Didn't take long at all. I threw us a little baked potato in the microwave, and if you haven't done that, honey, wash it, stab it a little bit, and oil it with some olive oil and do a salt crust.
Cheat code.
About 8-10 minutes in the microwave. It's just like a baked in the oven. Go right ahead, Russell.
I already hear the crisp.
Yes, this is crispy.
Crispy.
Crispity, crunchity.
All right.
Cheesy. Goodness.
Smoky.
It's hot.
Piping.
It's not been long.
Well, don't you gonna
come
come
out.
back here. Don't you try to get away.
Oven. Tastes like that. Tastes like theirs. That's a good sign. Hallelujah. Woo-hoo.
Wow. Creamy, crunchy.
Yes. That creamy ranch, that ranch and that Parmesan together.
Yeah, that talk about
honey.
going good together.
Yes.
I see why that's on a steakhouse menu. That's an alternative to people that really don't eat a lot of steak.
Yep.
Fantastic. Ooh.
Sure is.
I have had that before, but I don't necessarily remember it being that like
Creamy.
creamy.
And all.
The
Yeah.
creaminess. I don't
It's
necessarily.
good.
Man, that's
Well,
like,
I put a lot of it.
Ooh.
You really could get by with doing about a third of that ranch. And
Maybe that didn't have as much ranch.
I don't know, but it is good.
It's trying to get away. I don't like
It's
that.
trying.
We're not gonna have
Chicken's
that.
nice and tender.
It is delicious. Perfectly cooked. Yeah.
It is. That's why I say make sure it's cooked in the pan. It's at 165. Oh, he can't even talk. He's chewing.
I'm telling you. That's as good as you can get right there.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's
Copycat,
very close to it. Yes.
original. Yeah, whatever you want to call that is fantastic, y'all. That is as good as it gets.
Give it a try. Like I said,
Yeah.
it didn't take. It looks like, with the 3 steps, it looked like, oh Lord, but it's really not bad. And you can, like I said, I wanted to marinate that chicken ahead of time because I did want the good marinade. And I didn't want to have to be waiting 2 hours and
Oh, you can really taste
all
it.
that. It's
That was
good.
that. It's got great flavor. The creaminess is what the creamy and the crunchiness is like fantastic. It's like
The different textures. Yeah.
I'm sure I've had it. I'm 100% sure I had it because I was like, I'm not really in the mood for a steak one time, and I know I had that chicken. I ordered that Parmesan chicken.
had it.
Because I like the chicken Parmesan as far as like Italian all the time. That's what I order when we get Italian. I'm like, oh, I like Parmesan, so I'll get that.
Yes.
But I just do not remember it having that creaminess that ooh,
It's good, y'all.
next level.
Whether it's exact or whether it's not.
Yeah,
it's good.
this is
It's
bomb.
But we just paired it with a little tater and some green beans, and honey, supper was ready. So quick, easy, delicious, and that's what matters,
Yeah.
right?
I'm gonna
I
throw
love
down.
the quick and easy, but the delicious, honey, that's
Well,
that's
it's all
got to
three. It
be.
checks all the boxes. That's even best. That's,
It's got to be that.
yeah,
Even if it ain't pretty and still good.
right. That's true.
But thank y'all for watching us, and
Yeah.
we appreciate every single one of you, and
Yes.
just love you. And we hope you'll try this. And like I always say, if you try it, honey, holler back. Let me know you did.
Get in the comment.
And I've had several people here comment, and they've tried this and that, and it, honey, Just makes me so happy.
Absolutely. It warms our heart. Both of our hearts.
It
I
does,
really,
y'all. I just want to do the fat girl dance.
Yeah,
I
I'm telling you.
they tried it.
It does. It makes it worth
It is.
the worth it. That's why we do it.
It is that exactly. That is why I do it. I hope that you will try things and let us know.
Yep.
But anyway, thank you so much, and until next time.